Hello everybody. Not so good news with the 1987 GE refrigerator. While it is working, not that great. I don't know if it's going to make it out in that observation window. The top row of evaporator has not got ice on it at all. See there? Just the bottom row is freezing at this time, so we're not really working that great. I'm making ice still, and it's still staying about 5 degrees, but it's not quite got the oomph it should. It should be just billowing out frost right now, or the frosty clouds. It's not happening. So unfortunately, this will probably be going away, as much as it pains me to say. It's already had a compressor replaced in it and several other things over the years, so overall not the greatest refrigerator, but it's held up for 35 years. And then we got a little random frost going there. Defrost circuit's working, but something's just going on. I don't know. I'm kind of leaning toward a restriction in the refrigerant circuit, but this will be part one, and we will see what takes its place here in a little while. But I guess we can capture a final ice dump. I'll probably save this ice maker and accessories. The ice also feels wet all the time, so I know it's not getting as cold as it needs to. Here we go. Gotta have a nice harvest. There we go. So before, when the compressor went, this thing quit making ice. It got to the point where it wouldn't even get cold enough to make ice. But at least we got that much going for us right now. A nice full ice bin. But 20.7 cubic feet TBX 21K from 1987. Here's a quick look in the 87 GE. My frost pattern is not too good. And then I got this big wad of ice right here, so I'm going to take the hairdryer and melt that off and see if we can get any improvement. But here's a quick look inside of this. So here's a look at our frost pattern so far. Now as it runs, it'll eventually, this bottom row will get iced up, but the top row doesn't seem like it's doing anything. So I'll just go ahead and put this back together since I got that ice block out of there, and see if it maybe works a little better. Well, sadly, it's the last day of the 87 GE refrigerator. It came here sometime in 1988. It's been in service ever since. Of course, got the badge off of it. Pulled the ice maker and a few little bits and pieces. And the last thing to do is pull it out and unplug it. So, yep, not a good day, because I know what replaces it is not going to be near as good as this one was. But that's the way she goes. At least we still have the 82 GE. So we'll see what comes next here in a few minutes. Thanks for watching.